Get a feel for the 2020 Jeep Wrangler. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 40,000 miles on the odometer. Enjoy all the outdoor life has to offer in the Wrangler, the iconic open-air vehicle that inspires confidence on the road or on the trail. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: backup camera, fog lamps, electronic stability control, steering wheel audio controls, intermittent wipers, traction control, tire pressure monitoring system, passenger vanity mirror, rear reading lamps, trip computer. Never be anyone but your authentic self. You belong in the Wrangler.